Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA 5.3 and today I'll show you how to format your SD card. So, to get started, let's navigate into our settings. From here you want to choose storage, which for me is right over here. Tap on your SD card, which in turn will open up the storage. And choose the three dots where you'll have storage settings options. So let's select it and you should already see the option to format it. Once you tap on it, it will give you a message. Now the first one is kind of useless, but the second part of it is important. So formatting will erase existing content on the SD card. To avoid losing content, back it up to another SD card or device. So yeah, if you don't want to lose anything, if you keep some data that you would like to keep on this SD card, like as an example, photos, videos, maybe some pictures, stuff like that, then back it up beforehand, or like the message states, you will lose it. So, assuming you've already backed it up or you simply don't want to, you can tap on Format SD card. This will automatically begin the process and it only takes a couple of seconds. So, it should be right about done. Any moment, there we go. So, click on done and you're completely finished. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.